HTML5 tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see about address tag. So basically address tag is used at the bottom of the web page, I mean a footer of the web page. You might ask, then why it is used? If you could see in most of the websites, when you scroll to the last page, I mean to the bottom of the page, you could see copyright at 2000 blah blah, or you could see that this website was made by, or um, the address of the web page, the address of the person who has made the web page. So this tag is especially used to design the address of the person who has designed the website. So it is a mixture of italic font. So let us see how it is made. So let me refresh it. Let me open VS Code. There. Let me open address tag. So address tag has two tags, opening and closing tag. So this is the address tag actually. Okay. So we have the address tag. So if you could see, I'm typing the address. It's going to print. It'll be like address. It'll be in an address font actually. I'm typing C/7 street. I mean, let me leave a break here. Sure. So after that, again a break, and after that it's going to be. So I have typed C/7 Raman Street, Raman Nagar, New Delhi, with pin code. I had typed in it. So if you could see that the font is in address format. Actually, if you go and visit any street, mostly the font of address will always be in this format only. If you could see, it is a mixture of italic. If you could see clearly, it's like that only. So address tag is used to display the given information at the footer of the web page. So when you are finished designing a web page, and if you want to give your address that you had only created this web page, then you can definitely go to the bottom of your web page and define it, and by opening address tag and typing your details. So this just look like address. So for that reason only it is given as address tag. So this is the end of the video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you in next video.